welcome back to Zeke the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to mention someone on WhatsApp group chat. So first thing you have to do is make sure your WhatsApp app has been updated, is up to date, and the next thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp app. And once you open it up, you're going to open a group. But maybe you have not created a group, you can simply just click on this plus sign, and so we click on new group, just add 2 people or more and add in the name, and you click on this arrow. They're going to ask you to add in the name of the group, and once you're done, you can see this like this. I have a group. So how do I actually mention a person in this group? So what you need to do is open up your keyboard and you're going to impute the @ sign. You're going to click on this right here, and you're going to see all the names of people in your group. And if you want to mention a particular person, you can just click on the number and it's going to show right here. And once you click on that, you can just type in and you click on send, and you have mentioned a person. And if you want to actually mention everybody in the group, you can simply see where it says all member. You click on all member and you send it, and this is literally how to do it. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.